Yondomusic.
Morning Basic Fam, welcome back. So right away, we're just gonna kick it off with continuing off from our last vlog with Xrunners. Today, as you can see, it's a different Xrunner we're working on. I don't know if you guys remember our longtime friend Collin. This is his Xrunner. What's up, killer? What's up? What's up, killer? So this bad boy has a lot of mods in it. If you want to know what's in this truck, hit up this guy's DM, follow his Instagram.
Crazy Holly.
This truck is badass. This is our crew for today.
Should have laughed.
Exactly. Move the jack stand.
Move the jack stand back.
Alright, sir, what's going on today?
We are doing Sir Collin's O2 sensor swaps.
Figure out if it's the O2 sensor simulator or that fucking brand new sensor, man.
So what's been happening? What kind of
Catalyst
symptoms?
efficiency below threshold, but this bitch ain't got no cats.
Ah, okay. So stay tuned to see if or how to fix this.
Upstream, downstream.
Downstream.
I fucking really hope this bitch comes out. Did you put anti-seize?
I put anti-seize, but I really hope this motherfucker comes out. These fucking clips were a bitch last time.
Flathead.
I got a mushroom head. It's going to someone this weekend.
Shit.
I was flat again. Yeah, it's plug and play. So you just take out this box with this.
Only thing that he's ever done was put that
And he run it, I can see ran it over the tranny.
Oh, look this fucking. This fucking is cooked.
Running rich or no?
I'm pretty sure it is. I gotta tune that math cow. Anybody knows how to do it, hit me up.
Look at those headers. So sexy. I wanna live underneath it. Don't you wanna be it? I just want it to be in me. Bank one and motor and spark plug.
Bank one is gonna be passenger side on Tacomas for sure.
I'm gonna get like a sunburn on the lower half of my back. Like, you know how they have tramp stamps? It's just gonna be like that part is gonna be sunburned.
Crooked ass line.
Probably because it's my shirt that's lifting up right now.
Shit, y'all guys, was that anti-seize?
Sorry, dudes.
Well, I mean, it took 4 months for the fucking thing to come back on. When it first started happening, it took a week after I cleared it for it to come back. And it seemed like every time I kept clearing it, it added like a week, which is fucking odd. So I just cleared the code and
It could be the simulator then.
yeah, that's why I'm not too sure.
I'm thinking it's a simulator.
So if it's the simulator, that's 150 bucks that I gotta spend.
Hey.
Which is not bad.
That's not bad at all.
That's not.
For most, how much the price usually costs?
Fucking flies.
It's like your fucking half paycheck.
Well, I mean, I could go the cheap way, buy a fucking, what is that, a spark plug spacer? Is that what they're called? Something like that, and just extend the sensor, and that should usually work. Yeah, it extends the bung. Do shit right.
Right.
Nope.
Not the basic way.
Not the basic way, though. I'm the only exception to this team. Hashtag bought, not built.
Hey.
And you got this one on camera the first time.
If you don't remember that one, check it out here.
Look at that cold air intake.
Runs all the way to the front over here.
You've done stuff to your truck. There's a bag.
What?
You put a bag on it. So you did something.
Put a bag on it? Yeah.
Cold air.
That's the only thing I did.
Hey, you did something. I changed the antenna.
Alright, if you can remember, how long have you owned this truck?
June made 1 year, so what is
And
that?
how much miles have you put on in the 1 year?
So what is that? About 14 months, and I probably put about
20?
6,000 or 7,000 miles on it.
That's it?
That's it.
I'm at 10 and 6, over 10 in
What?
6 months.
You have a daily or something? This is your daily?
This is my work daily. My Friday, Saturday, Sunday daily.
Wow. That's awesome.
Weekend warrior.
That's awesome.
Let's call it weekend warrior. 47. It's about 47.
Oh, so he put on
48,000.
some miles then.
Yeah, he put on 40. He put on 42 in
What is yours, a 14?
3 years. Yeah, 14. So he put on 40.
That's still
average.
actually really
It's
good.
actually average.
Yeah, it's like
That's what my jaw was at.
15,000 is normal.
My job was 30 in 3 years. I just added on 10 more in 6 months.
Yeah. Oh, 40,000 mileage gang. I wish I was like that. I'm up in like 190s.
I'm like 69, I think.
I'm like
70,000.
I'm like about to break. She's about to blow. Oh, you actually went really far on that one. I ate shit on over here the last time.
I don't know how I did it, but last time I rode, when we had the car over there, I forget what car I was doing. I rode all the way down. I was like, oh.
You ain't bombing hills unless you bombing it with a jack.
It's a true bomb.
Right? Alright, so today we actually got a lot for you guys. So we just did that Xrunner's O2 sensor, and now we're gonna work on my 240. My car took a shit on me twice. It turned off twice on my way to work last night, so we're thinking it's alternator or fuel pump or fuel problem, fuel line, whatever. We're gonna go check it out right now.
What is your issue for the alternators, man? First the Xrunner
Seriously?
out is.
And no, literally, it was the same time at night too.
Right?
Because he was coming back with
And
Xrunner.
trippy shit, same spot that my car
No
was
shit,
dying.
right by
Same
the
spot,
label?
same
Oh,
street.
It ain't the alternators, bro.
It wasn't like close to where it was like a little more towards Waikiki side.
I just woke up to it, I seen your text, I was like, fuck, it's another alternator. It's like your truck.
You sure you about the right one this time?
I didn't buy it yet. We're gonna go pull it out and cross-reference it, and then try and throw it in on time before our next task.
Oh, I burned myself.
All right, so he's taking out the fan. Alternators under here.
Don't mind my foot.
Trying to get there.
Yoke bearing?
Yeah.
There's the alternator.
It was making noise.
Passenger side. We're gonna move this fan, try and get at it underneath. Pull it out, take it to O'Reilly's, cross-reference the part number, throw it back in. And then we're gonna go check out another car.
Why not?
Fan moving out, fan not moving.
Fan not move, me hammer. Me hammer with wrench.
Oh God. And we really need to put it in the dual fan, because we're gonna bust this fucking plastic one.
Huh? Oh, the fan is plastic.
Yeah.
But where I'm hammering it's metal.
Oh. Alright, cancel. Couldn't figure out how to take off this fan right here, so we're just gonna go from under and see if we can attack it there. Trying to get the alternator. Where is it? Right here. So down here is the alternator. You usually get 2 bolts, one on the bottom, one on the top. This is the top. It goes in like this, and then on the side of it is a tensioner sort of thing. So down on this side of the alternator, this comes through the side. Loosen this to loosen the belts and stuff. Then you can take off the top and take it all out.
It's gonna send it. Oh no, another 240. What are we gonna do? Ooh, who's this stranger? Who could this be? What's up, man?
Where'd you park?
Oh, it's a long lost member.
New member.
Well, I mean, he's been here, never showed him. Oh, so this is the guy. Taylor.
If the window doesn't work on that side, this one works cherry. I don't know why it does that, but this one works cherry. Bro, check for the AC, man.
Who's that?
AC works.
AC actually works on a 240? Oh, he likes to gas it. He needs some practice. He's been driving automatic for a while. So, are you gonna do it? Make a financial mistake like everybody else?
Oh yeah, man.
Are you getting the sound?
Hopefully.
Or are you gonna go headers? Ooh, oh, I don't know about that.
Why?
I don't know. Might be a little too much. The car might break. Do you guys see this? I've never seen a 240 without a cracked dash. What the hell is going on? This is like 1 in a billion. And AC works?
AC works.
Start it.
Ooh. Oh, you feel that AC?
Oh wow. AC and a clean dash? Okay, let's do it. Yeah, you're gonna have to change your coilovers. Springs are making noise already.
And then we'll turn where?
Right. Pull them. Do them. Do them. Gotta make sure you're in gear, boy. You're not even testing the limits.
All over here is kind of sketchy.
You gotta go to 5, at least 5. Test it. Redline the bitch. Redline this bitch. She handles pretty good.
Yeah.
Only thing is, pedometer doesn't work. But who cares when you got power? There's no boost, it's just regular power. But turbo, woo, be feisty. How's she feel?
Pretty good. The clutch is kind of sticky, but for how old this car is
And the price? It's a steal.
and the interior,
Okay.
ride's nice, rev's nice, idle's nice.
Ready for a pull?
Yeah.
Okay, we get straight shot. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Fucking moves.
I do love the smell of unused gas. It's just like the best smell in the world. She handles nice though. Suspension needs to be changed, but that's normal.
Should be good for now. If anything, I'll just do a clutch kick. Clutch
Oh!
kick and diff and keep it like that.
I mean, you want to try?
No, not clutch kick, clutch kit.
Oh, I thought
shit.
you said you was gonna drift them, because you know you can do it in this one.
Alright, welcome back. Yesterday was...
A very busy day.
It was. We did a lot of stuff.
Started with Collin.
Collin's one was easy, like 5 minutes. Yours one,
Always an alternator problem with me.
we checked out Troy's new car.
Yeah. And
He's happy. I'm not.
I was gonna buy that thing. I wanted to.
Well, today we're gonna finish off everything on this. There was a bit of problem. We'll show you.
So we didn't get to catch it on camera last night, but the car caught on fire. Small guy. I guess the battery terminals, wire on the alternator, we thought we knew how to rewire it. It just, we forgot, I think. We put the wires on the ground, the wrong wire on the ground. So we're hoping it's just the wire and not the alternator that fried. So we just got back from O'Reilly's. We're gonna do these battery terminals, swap them out. One of them fried off completely, so might as well do both, right? Then already loosened the ground on the alternator. Now we're gonna fix up the wiring, make it proper. Right, so I got these terminal ends on there. Pretty good, huh? Did the tuck check, of course. All cherry. Excuse me, sir. Okay, hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. He's gonna connect the batteries. If you don't know by now, I'm deathly afraid of batteries. Every time I touch it, I arc that shit. For some reason, previous owner put the battery in the back seat, so that's why he's looking back there for the battery. It's not in the trunk like the usual cars. It's in the back seat. All right, well, we're good. Sweet, nothing blew up. Everybody, this is my brother Collin. Yes, sir. What do you know? It's nighttime already. Finally got it all put together. Gonna try and start it up. Battery's hooked?
Not yet. Alright, it's about time to start it up. Nice, Dad. Everything looks good.
Woo! Thank you, brothers.
Ah!
I got gas for my car, just got back home, and I hear a 240 outside. So the guy that's selling the 13 over there to Troy, this is his girlfriend, it's 14, Koki. Fire.
It's in shirt right now, but I don't have the paper. So
papers are signed already. Ready to go. It's a done deal, he got it. Oh man, he and I are gonna have some fun wrenching. What to do is you roll up to a turn slow in first gear and then just let it roll, come out wide, clutch kick that bitch.
I'll try when there's like not cars around.
Yeah. Let me know if you get home. Nah, this car's got 20,000 miles on it. It's a 93 hat. Clean, stock KA. Not clean outside, but clean inside. Everything is working. AC, power steering, all of that. Radio. Besides how it looks outside, this thing is badass. Quiet as can be. Alright, that was it for this vlog. That was a really long one. Long couple days. Got a lot of stuff done though. A lot more content coming for you guys. So pretty soon we should be doing Logan's front arms. Finish off that drop kit video. If you didn't see that one, check it out. The recent one. Other than that, we also have Gerald's cruise. The guy that passed away. Xrunner legend. We're gonna go do a open Xrunner cruise. Open to the public for everybody on Sunday. So we're gonna go get that one too. Stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks for tuning in.